What's up guys? My name is Hadi and welcome to my how-to video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Windows 10 USB installer. So let's do it guys. Open your favorite internet browser and search for Windows 10 tool. Then click on the first link. I will put all the links in the description. Click on download tool now and save it. Then open it. Click yes. Wait a little bit. In here, don't upgrade this PC. You have to choose create installation media, USB flash drive or DVD or anything you want. So it will be next link or the second link. Tick on it. In this window, you have three choices: language, Windows Edition and architecture. I think you just need to know which architecture your Windows or your computer have. If you have an older computer, you maybe need to choose 32. If you have a newer computer, 64 will work. If you don't know what system you have, you can click on settings, under the settings, system, and then about. You will find what architecture your computer has. Then click next. In here there's two options: USB flash or ISO. If you want to install Windows on another computer, you should choose ISO file. And if you have an old computer with legacy system mode or BIOS, you should also choose ISO file. Here we choose ISO file because if we have an older computer, then the first option will not work, because the first option will make a USB UEFI Windows installer. And if we have a legacy BIOS system, we have to choose ISO file, and then we can use another program to make a legacy USB installer for Windows. So be careful, choose ISO file here. Click next. We can save the ISO file on the desktop before we can rename it to Windows 10 build number 1809. So we'll save it on the desktop. And here I will fast forward this part because it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. One very important thing: before you installing new Windows on your system, please back up your system. Otherwise your all data will be gone. I'm not responsible for any loss. Please back up your system. And now we are looking for Rufus. Rufus as a USB tool. You can make a bootable USB. As I said, all the link will be in the description. Save it, then launch it. Yes, update it please. And here you put your USB in the computer, select ISO file, the one you downloaded before, Windows 10, yeah, and open it up. Here I choose GPT over MBR because it's newer and there is no limitation. If you choose MBR, then you cannot have more than 4 partitions on your computer, and it's support only 4 terabyte. So I think you should choose GPT. GPT also supports UEFI. You can rename volume label here, Windows 10 installer for example. Then we click on start, but you should know everything on your USB will be deleted. So if you have any important information on your USB, please back up before. Yes guys, this take about 5 minutes maybe or less. We are almost done. Now we are done. That's it guys. In the next video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. Have a good time and see you in the next video.